Yeah, do you see where we are?
We're stranded.
Look, we're in a balsita. We don't. Can you see? I'm so nervous.
We're in the water in a little boat trying to get to shore because
The yacht wouldn't go to shore.
so we're stuck here and it's dark outside.
And my phone is not waterproof.
Oh my gosh.
Look, take a picture of the yacht all the way over there.
Okay.
Which we're running.
Wait, where'd it go?
Oh my God! You see that little light?
Oh my god! Do you see that light? That's the boat that we were on. And now we are here stranded.
Stranded.
Well, we're trying to get to shore and we're gonna flip over.
No, we're not because my phone's in there.